So how to enable call recording on your iPhone? Open your setting, and if you go the apps, and if you go the phone option, then you can see your call recording is available here. Just enable this option, but before that you have to update your phone with latest iOS 18 version. If you go the about section, then you can see my phone is updated with iOS 18.2. if you don't have, just go to software update, then you can see your iOS 18.2 available there. And second thing, you need to enable your Apple Intelligent as well. Now let's check. Then you can see this icon. If you press on this icon, your call will be recorded automatically. Yeah, so two things, 18.2 and need Apple Intelligent to enable call recording. Thank you, have a good day.